Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pinging your iPhone from your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you've lost your iPhone somewhere around the house, you can easily ping it from your Apple Watch to help you find it. On your watch, scroll up from the top to access the Control Center. In the Control Center, you'll see an icon of a phone. This is the Ping iPhone button. If you tap it, your iPhone will make a loud noise so you can try to locate it. Each time you tap it, it will make the noise. If you hold down the button instead of tapping it, then it will make the flashlight turn on in bursts to help you find it in the dark, as well as make the noise. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.